some of the things they don't tell you about marriage. Singles, I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see? You're going to be backing your baby and doing housework. Don't say I didn't do anything for you this year. Nigerians and nylon. If I show you my nylon bag, let me show you guys. This is my nylon bag. I have all sorts of nylons in this bag. Different colors, different designs. Let me know if you're like me, if you usually store up these things in your house, just in case. You know, some days you're just looking for nylon and you're wondering, I don't have any, or you have girls and you want to package some things for them. So for me, that's the reason why I store those in these nylons. Let me know yours in the comment section. I don't know if I've mentioned in my channel that I have somebody that usually comes to help me clean. So I've had issues with them back and forth. One was stealing, one was doing this, blah blah blah. So bottom line, I got somebody that will help me clean like 3 times in a week, except on days when I tell her not to come 3 times. Maybe I can have her come like 4 to 5 times a week, depending on the kind of work that I have. But if not, then she usually would just come, 3 times a week and then do the work and all of that. So today she's not coming, so that's why I'm washing plates for myself. Thank you all for the birthday wishes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I had some people, I told people to share my link under my birthday picture, and most of you are doing it, and I'm really grateful. Thank you for the love. What did I do to deserve you guys? Like, how did I land you guys? Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for the support. Thank you for sharing my videos, my channel link, for watching my videos. If you're watching this video, know that I have you in my mind. I'm always praying for you, and thank you.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel
So guys, I'm done washing plates now, and I want to make my tea.
alone.
These little songs.
This is the bread I'll be using. This ABS bread. See, let me even say. This bread is bigger than this for 500 naira. Now this bread, they reduce the quantity, they reduce the texture and everything. But wait till we go to. We got chop.
Make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3.
All that I need
Is your body next to me on rainy days? Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. Doesn't.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time I'll see my face, it's Jennifer. Please subscribe, okay? So today I want to go and do my hair. I want to apply henna on my hair for the first time. I've never applied henna on my hair before, and I just want to try it. I'm tired of my hair. I like the color of my hair is just boring, so I wanted to just switch it up a little. And then you guys remember this braid that I made? I also want to take it down before doing the whole process. So I want to carry you guys along with the whole procedure. My baby is here, and I'm also going with Ife to the place. So I'm gonna see you guys when I get there, and let's see how it turns out, what color I get. See you guys.
Simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple loving, it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your.
Hi guys, so I'm here to give you an update of the henna application, how it went and all of that. So after we loosened my hair, we detangled, and the next thing was to wash my hair. After washing my hair, she just wrapped my hair with a towel and just drain up the water from my hair, and then after which she mixed up the henna in water and started applying to my hair like you saw in the video. But I couldn't capture most of it because my phone was down, there was no lights, plenty issue, blah blah blah. Now she has covered my hair in what's it called, in a nylon bag, a black nylon bag, and then I've tied it with scarf. I'm going to sleep with it overnight. She said usually I would stay with it for like maybe 3 hours, but because I went there very late, so I can't stay for like 3 hours, I had to come back home. I got home around maybe say 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. So I'm going to sleep with it. But here's the catch, right? She is equally not sure of the color that I'm going to get by tomorrow morning, because the person that inspired me had gray hair, so her hair color turned like golden and all of that purplish stuff. So I'm really hoping that it gives me that purple, that deep purple color. I don't know, this is my first time applying henna, and I think for her too, this is like her first time maybe applying it for somebody with a dark hair or what, I don't know. So everybody's anticipating, waiting up to see what the hair is going to look like tomorrow. So we're going to see the colors, including you guys, so wait up. We're going to see the colors, what it's going to look like tomorrow morning.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters when you're away. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in.
Hi guys, I just got back home, so all my hopes and dreams and aspirations have gone to the drain. In case you're planning to do henna on your head, just know that you're likely not going to get any color if your hair color is black. The only thing I can see here is just a little brownish and then a lot of dirty, because the henna has a little bit of particles. I don't know if you know chebe powder. If you know chebe powder, it's similar to chebe powder. It has a lot of particles in it, so that whole dirt is still in the hair, which is going to go out according to the hairstylist. That is going. She said it's going to go out like, maybe as when the hair is dry, as I continue to comb it and all of that. So if you're planning to put henna on your hair, have that at the back of your mind. Another thing you need to also have at the back of your mind is that you are likely going to be staining your pillows if you don't put any cloth on the pillow. I did put cloth on my pillow, so I didn't get to stain my pillow, but the scarf I used got wet, everything, so I put a black cloth on my pillow to avoid staining my pillow. Then another thing you also need to put in mind is there's going to be a lot of dripping water. The henna, whatever, the water is going to keep dripping from your hair. So aside from the fact that I didn't get the color that I wanted, I also got the hair treatment, because henna is a hair treatment on its own, aside from the the coloring property. So if you have gray hair, or you already have a golden dye on your hair, there is a possibility that you might have a different color other than mine. Mine did not show so much. I don't want to show you guys the full hair because it's calabar, but let me just show you. See, Can you see? So that's it. Oh, I just finished. I'm home, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me to try out this new thing. If you know anyone that wants to try henna, refer them to this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried henna before, how it was like for you. Did you like it? Did you not like it? What was it like? Let me know in the comment section. And let me know if it gave you a different color. Let me also know if you have anything that I can use to get a different result. Let me know what your experience is like if you have ever tried henna on your hair. So guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys again in another video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Love you all.